Welcome to the American Academy of Nurse Practitioners Certification Board. This video provides step-by-step instructions on how to apply for an AANPCB re-examination. To retake the exam, you must complete at least 15 contact hours of accredited advanced practice continuing education related to your area of weakness on the previous exam, or a general review course to prepare for re-examination. Your score report provides a ranking of strongest to weakest areas on your previous exam. You may take the examination twice in a calendar year, from January to December. You will be able to initiate a re-examination application after AANPCB receives your exam score from the test center. To apply for a re-examination, click Online under Certify and enter in your username or email address and password, then click Login. When you select your certification, the re-examination option will be displayed. There are 5 application sections: Contact Information, Nurse Practitioner Program and Continuing Education, License and Attestation, Payment, and Review and Submit. The application should already contain contact information from your online profile. Review for accuracy and click Continue. The first part of this section contains information about your Nurse Practitioner Educational Program. Please make sure this information is correct before continuing. The next section is a Continuing Education or CE log. Start by clicking Add New CE. You will need to enter the CE program name, content area, date of completion, and number of credit hours. After clicking Submit, the CE will display in the log. Repeat this step to add more continuing education hours. To upload CE documents, click the arrow located on the right next to each CE activity. When your document has been successfully uploaded, an eye icon will appear, where you are able to view what you have uploaded. You may submit any of the following documents. CE certificates. CE certificates must include your name of the CE activity, program sponsor, CE accreditor, date of completion, and hours awarded. CE trackers. Enter the total CE hours on the sponsor's tracker as one entry on your application CE log. Then, submit a copy of the tracker listing each CE activity. Click Continue to move forward. Once you've finished uploading your CE, enter your RN, NP, or APRN license information, including license number, state of licensure, and expiration date. You do not have to submit proof of licensure if the one from your previous application is still active. If you wish to notify a state board of nursing of your certification status, you may do so at this time, or you can submit a request to notify a board later. You need to submit a separate notification request for each application. Now, upload proof of your RN, NP, or APRN license, if applicable, and copies of continuing education certificates. If you did not upload continuing education certificates at the time of creating the continuing education log, you can upload them now. You may continue without uploading documents and send them later. Once you submit your application, you cannot upload documents. Instead, you must email, fax, or mail the documents to us. Read and sign the attestation statement and click Continue. You can choose to pay by credit card, paper check, or money order. After entering your payment information, click Continue. Review and verify the information in your application. If you need to return to a section, click Previous. Do not hit the back button on your web browser. To receive your order confirmation, click Place Order. Please keep a copy for your records. Alternatively, you can use the same information to complete the paper application. To find the paper application, visit the home page, click Paper under Certify, then select the Retake Paper application. Paper applications can be emailed, faxed, or mailed to AANPCB. Paper applications require an additional $50 processing fee. To review your application status, go to My AANPCB and click My Application Order Status. To review your online messages, click My Messages. To access your score report, click My Documents. Upon application approval, you will have 120 days to take the examination. Look out for AANPCB eligibility to test and schedule exam notification email from certification@aanpcert.org with instructions for scheduling your test. To learn more, visit our website and refer to the FNP AGNP Candidate Handbook located under the Resources tab. You can find additional information under the FAQ tab in the Retake Exam Application section. You may also contact us via email at certification@aanpcert.org. Thank you for watching our video, and good luck on your exam.